sidewalk.
How long has everybody been working on the street?
Well, we just kind of started. I think people sort of realized that a very nice person came through and cleared from Dunway down to the road, and that maybe the county's driving by and thinking that we're taken care of, and we're not.
Huh.
So, Jeff said a lot of people had called, but
Yeah, I sent an email.
I'm wondering if we're not going to get out today. I'd like to be able to go to work. So if we all sort of have to dig ourselves out, maybe we'll be able to get through.
And here we have the mighty citizens of Ryan's Mill shoveling out their own roads by hand.
We're free!
Goodbye, plow. Well, I still can't get out.